We're here at the Pinellas County Sheriff's Department, and we are having so much fun because they have all the emergency vehicles out here, from Hummers to armored vehicles. They're gonna do a fire and put the fire out for us here, the Largo Fire Rescue. They got the Coast Guard and boats and ambulances and paramedics. And we got to jump in the jump house. That was fun, right? Is the Kona ice yummy?
Yes.
Was this a cool little event or what?
It was cool.
It's cool. They got the helicopter out here. Maddie got to sit in the helicopter. John Hopkins is out here. Johns Hopkins. But we're just hanging out and we're waiting for a couple minutes to do this fire. They're gonna put out a fire for us and it's gonna be really cool, the Largo Fire Department. Oh yeah? And it's cool because we're right down the street from our house. That should be super fun.
Pulling a hose as if he was coming up to the front of the house and putting fire out pretty much. So you'll see him put his gear on. We'll have Amanda here kind of narrate as he's going through everything, explaining what he's doing. And he'll just come knock over the cones right here. So he might stand right about this area, so just watch out. And he'll be knocking down all those cones, all right?
Yep, and you're gonna knock over the cones like it was a fire.
Take one hand right here, and then the other hand goes on top.
Go ahead, bud. Pull it back.
Put it back.
Nice. All right, push it forward.
Good job.
Nice.
High five.
High five.
Whoa.
Thank you.
right,
Awesome, bro. Whoa, Maddie, look at this thing in the front. Look at this thing. I think this like just drives through buildings. It's like a tank armored vehicle. This thing, he said there's only 2 of these in the whole country and we have one. Kona ice is yummy.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.